cricket, looking sadly and slowly goes out. Our story is over. Over. The story is over. What do you feel? Whether it's a good or bad story? What do you feel? Good? Yes, a good story. Okay, that's a good story. But what do you think about the end? You expected that end would give something? Yes, you expected. But yes, already informed proudly. Yes, we don't beg from others and we don't give. Yes, that proudly said. That's simple. So, which character is better in your view? Which character is better? Which character is better? And on cricket. Come here, tell me, which character is better? And very good. Yes, he says. And is better than cricket. Why? Why and is better than cricket? And served food particles and kept there in its cupboard. Yes, that's why it had no any worry. But the cricket wandering there. Okay, but now I am telling this. Crickets are there, lot of crickets are there. If you observe, you can understand it. Some crickets walk with their four legs and another some crickets walk with their two legs. Two legs. Yes. Understood what I mean? Some crickets walk with the two legs. Understood what I mean? Two legs. Who has two legs? Really, how many legs the crickets have? 2, 3. How many? 4. Okay, you are right. 4 legs. So crickets are there, which is only 4 legs. But what the writer mean 2 legs? What he mean? He mean that is human. Some humans are like a cricketer. They don't save anything their future and starvation begging something from others. But some talented people saving, keeping something for their good future. Yes. What about you? That is why already you said down. Your parents collected a lot of grains before lockdown. You said no. Yes. So they are also talented. Like what? Like ants. Okay. You also be like ants. Clear? Clear? Yes. So what is the moral of it? What is the moral of it? What is the moral of it? Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Okay. Yes. What is another? We should serve something for our future. Okay. How is it? It's nice story or not? Nice? Okay. Then you read the lines of those poetry. Some difficult or some new words are there. I am telling the meaning of it. You can connect and read so you can understand easily. Yes, in first line you can see one particular word, accustomed. Silly young cricket accustomed to sing. So accustomed mean used. through the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring. There you can see one new word, gay. Gay means happy, happy. Began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Yes. So when winter reached there, yes, it didn't get any. We can summarize it one more. Yes, sir. Through the lines. Okay. Yes. You can see the second stanza. Not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground. Not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. That is second stanza. In that second stanza, you can see it went out. It didn't see any flower or leaves. Already we said. Why? That's full of ice pieces. Okay, that is why it asked, oh, what will become, says the cricket of me. Cricket told, what shall I do? Yes, at last by starvation and famine made bald, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold, away he set off to a miserly end. To see it, to keep him alive, he would grant. Okay? Yes, he went to the house of Ant and he reached there by full wetting. Why? The water was the snow, yes. And it reached there. Trembling. There's the next word coming there. Trembling. Trembling means shivering. And reached there. Okay? Yes. Next time you can see as him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he would reap it tomorrow. Okay? He reached there. Why he reached there? To borrow, to collect something. And he thought to give it back. That's the one side. Yes, sir. Then he reached there. Yes. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. He said, if he don't get anything, he will be starved. He will die soon. Okay? Yes. Then says the ant to the cricket. What it says? I'm your servant and friend. But we ants never borrow. We ants never lend to. Never borrow, never lend. What is called? And family don't give anything, don't collect anything unnecessarily. Okay? Yes. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lend nothing? When the weather was warm, caught the cricket not. Here you can see one new word, that's caught. Caught means said. It is said. When and asked whether you kept anything there in your house in that summer and spring. So cricket said no. Happily said no. My next answer. My heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. What it said? It said I was singing song and enjoying the life. So angrily, who said angrily? And said, you are singing there. Then you do one thing, you can go and dance. In this winter season, you can go and dance angrily. He said, go, good then, says ant. Thus, ending, He hastily lifted the wicket. Lifted the wicket. Lifted means closed. Closed the wicket. Wicket means small window. Small window. He closed the. Why he closed the window? He means that creature, that silly creature should go from my house. That's its closed door. And out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Yes. Like a cricket and different. Now you know it's a folk. Folks call this fable. Folk mean people. People tells this is a fable. Fable means a story. I will warrant to true, warrant maintain. Telling is here. It is told that is true. What is true? What is true? Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2 legs. Clear? So 2 legs mean the writer mean human, the person who are not keeping the food particles for their future. Okay? Okay? So what the story? Then I am giving some questions. Okay? Now you like no. Now you are ready to study. It's so easy, very easy one. Very easy, but not difficult. A good story you study. Good story. But it is written as poetic style. Poetic style. Okay? Right. First question. From where the ant and the cricket is taken? From where the ant and the cricket is taken? From where? From where? Fable. Which fable? Whose fable? Aesop's fable. Yes, you are right. Yes, Aesop's fables. Okay. Next question. What is called fable? What's called a fable? You said what's called a fable? Fable is a story. Okay, fable is a story about animals which are walking, moving, doing everything, especially the tricks. Yes. Okay. Right, you are right. Yes. Then tell what's the moral of it? Moral. Tell what the moral of it. If we have something that should be kept for our future. Okay. Another moral, can you tell another? Yes. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Okay. Good. Okay. And one more thing I am telling you is, so now you understood, now you studied the poetry, you should write it's rhyming words. Rhyming words. First line and with the sing, second line and with the spring, that is it's a rhyme. So 2 lines over. Such a type of rhymings are there. You should find it out. It's a rhyming from each stanza. Okay? Okay? Let's stop. Let's stop now. Now you understood everything? If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay? I'm going to point it out. Thank you. Sayonara.